Hey everybody, this is Alex with PSI Power. I'm here to explain what comes with our module when you receive it. So this is an example of our truck edition module. So when you open the box, you will have a stop sheet that will explain to you how to shut down your ECM. If you don't do this step, it can throw some codes, so it's very important to read this line for line and make sure that you complete this. Next in the box will be the performance module itself, the wiring harness with bypass plug. It is important to keep this in case you ever want to put your truck back to stock. It plugs in right here. You have your 4-position switch all the way to the left of stock, and then you have your low, medium, and high setting. It will include 4 zip ties to zip tie the module up away from heat. Most people up by the firewall is a good spot to mount that. And then it comes with full color install instructions that will provide you steps on how to install it correctly. If you have any other questions about anything that's included in this, you can see us at our website, agdieselsolutions.com, or call in at the number provided below. Thanks.